Hello, you. How is everyone, guys? This is gonna be quite a chaotic one. I'm already running late. I was in Bangalore the past week or 10 days or so, and I had to prepone my tickets. I was supposed to come about 4 days later, but I had to prepone them for some college work that I have to do. So I reached this morning at around 6. Right now it's 8:46 and the breakfast in my mess is only until 9. So I'm just gonna get ready as quickly as possible. I washed my face and it's still wet, so I can't really put my sunscreen yet. But I'm just getting ready to leave. So I have some college work today, and with study holidays going on right now, I have my exams starting in little less than a week. So that's there. I'm just gonna record parts of my day because I'm gonna go to the hospital to get some documents and some other stuff. So that should be fun to watch. I'm just gonna try to make it to breakfast while it's still being served and not have sunscreen still on my face. If I could find my glasses. But yeah, it's gonna be chaotic. I hope you guys enjoy watching this. The rest of the day will probably just be like a study with me or chill with me type thing. I did have food poisoning, so we won't have like a snacks haul like last time because I have to be very, very mindful of what I'm eating for the next couple days. But yeah, if I can just find my glasses, then I can leave. I have my little bag with packaged water because I do not trust the water here with my prescription from home, which I have to get reconfirmed by the doctors here. And sunscreen's on. I don't know where the hell my glasses are, but I have a mask also since we'll be going to the hospital. But yeah, I'll record from there. I'll see you guys. So I wasn't feeling the most hungry. I just had a cucumber and tomato sandwich with little butter along with one idli, chutney, sambar and a little watermelon. Hey guys, so it's 9:10 of this pleasantly beautiful morning and I'm just gonna walk to the hospital because it's not that far away. It's just a bit of a climb. I'll show you guys. Actually, way bigger climb. So like all the way up. I've walked this much so far. So it's like all the way up from here. And then when you reach that point, then there's a lot more to go. But it's basically just that much and then directly the hospital. So yeah, that shouldn't be a problem in my formal pants plus chappal combo. So I just have about this much more to go. Again, it curves, but it's fine. It's just like a 5-minute hike. No big deal. And then it's pretty much right there. I'm not out of breath or anything, but it's actually the weather and all is extremely pleasant. A lot of greenery all around me, and this is actually a pretty nice experience because I do not wake up most mornings. You will see me awake past 11, so I'm enjoying this. So we've almost made it. It's not actually that big a deal. It's just annoying to go up and down that many times because this is like I have to walk until here if I want to go anywhere outside of my campus, and the whole slope looks something like this from here. But the hospital is right there, so that's cool. So I just waited in the hospital for about 30 minutes because all of the doctors were in class. That's so funny. I was being dramatic for absolutely no reason. Guys, 10:30 बज गए हैं and I just made it back to my hostel. I don't know, bhai. I came 4 days in advance to Manipal explicitly to do this procedure. Hospital में तो ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगा. Just took about an hour. Yeah, about an hour. फिर कॉलेज में भागा दौड़ी, इधर उधर इसका सिग्नेचर उसका सिग्नेचर, दिस टीचर दैट टीचर। फिर फाइनली जिस टीचर को सबमिट करने थे डॉक्यूमेंट्स वो तो जूनियर्स के इन्विजिलेशन ड्यूटी पे थी एग्ज़ाम के, तो आई कुडंट इवन गिव इट टू हर, सो आई हैड टू गिव इट टू सम अदर टीचर। एंड देन फुल एम्फोसिस करके ही इज़ लाइक वी मे कंसिडर इट, लाइक मे, तो पता नहीं, लेट्स सी। Hi gang, so it's 10:40 and it's so sunny over here. Bangalore में इतनी गर्मी नहीं पड़ती है, so I have to order some water from Blinkit because मेरे पास कितना ही बचा है. So I'll do that. I'll just show you guys once. It's so sunny. I don't know how much you can make out, but very sunny, very humid. I mean, it is a coastal area, so makes sense. But yeah, that's the scene. I don't know, बहुत भागा दौड़ी की मैंने 2-3 घंटा, and now college is saying that they may consider, maybe. So that's always nice to hear, very reassuring, very cute. But yeah, I have this lychee juice which I bought a couple weeks ago, so I'll just drink that and order water in the meanwhile. I wanted to tell you guys something else. What was it? I'll see if I want to order any stomach safe snacks. SSS, stomach safe snacks. I could be onto something, but yeah, basically I have to grind because it's Wednesday and I have my papers from not Saturday, from Monday, which is very nearby. So I have some crazy revision to do and I'll update you guys. 2 घंटे मैं सो गई थी, 1:50 हो रहा है, 1:50, और 2 बजे तक लंच मिलता है, तो ऑब्वियसली 10 मिनट पहले ही तो जाना होता है खाने, और फिर पानी एंड ऑल ब्लिंकिट कर देंगे. Slow-mo shot of the lunch gang. So I took beetroot palya with rajma and kadhi, which was surprisingly banging. I've never tried their kadhi before, but it was so good, especially the pakodi. The rajma was mid as hell, but the curd with sugar always hits, and I had 2 rotis with rice. Hi gang, let's do a quick Blinkit haul. 4 kg plus weight can be sustained by this bag, which is pretty impressive, not gonna lie. So firstly we have Maggi because it's safe, stomach safe foods guys, SSS, but it's some double masala stuff. I know, something new. Then also cup noodles because I don't really trust the mess food, bro, sorry, but achari masti, not very stomach safe, but it's flavorful. Bingo chili, again no comments here. This is very easy on the stomach guys. Kettle chips, they're jalapeno, okay, they're cream cheese flavored, not jalapeno, cut that. And then we have 4 liters of water, Bisleri obviously, and it's very hot, so I should be getting through one of these every day because yeah, stay hydrated gang. हर घूट में swag है. I think that's like a good 200 milliliters right there. Milliliters. Does anyone remember that ad of Bisleri in which there used to be like this baby camel and a mama camel, and then they'd like talk, and then at the end it'd be like Pio Bisleri. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go meet a friend now because study holidays में पढ़ाई करने के अलावा ही तो सब करना होता है. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. Pranati's room until now, like I told you before, and she's my bestie in the hostel gang. So we're going to the mess for snacks currently. First meal of the day for her. For me it's the third. But she's usually better at taking care of herself, etc.
Yes,
So
yes, I drink water.
Okay. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated.
Hi gang, I had an extremely productive study session. It's like 9:50 right now. I punched in for the hostel and I made it back to my room. I ordered sushi from this business of one of my seniors, and like I'm gonna leave soon, so I really wanted to show my support for my seniors, because like it's difficult to start anything new, and I don't know, man, they're from my college, so I should support them. And speaking of supporting seniors, I also ordered a crocheted pin from another senior of mine. So the sushi is from a place called Hamachi. I'll put that at, so in case you guys are in Manipal and you want good sushi, order, okay. And then this is by also one of my seniors. So his page is called Loops of Anxiety. I will also put that over here. It's a really pretty pin. So it has like this heart charm, and it's purple, obviously, and it's just really like cutesy, and like I was thinking I can like put it on my jeans or something, and it would just like make the outfit look like more personalized. And there's like 3 holes in case I want to add any more charms. So, and it's also like very thoughtful of him to give it to me in purple paper. So that was nice. And the reason why I came early to Bangalore, like, and I went in the morning to the hospital and all, it got approved by college. So, and yeah, the study session was actually really productive. So I'm just in a super nice mood. I'm gonna eat my sushi and watch something, and then I think I'll study a bit more in the night time. We'll catch you guys then. Hi guys, it's 12:10 and it's been a wholesome day. I feel very satisfied, I feel very happy. I will miss this place a lot in the next 6 months, definitely. There is for sure something special about here, about this place, and yeah, it was a good day. I feel like content, you know. I feel good. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe if you haven't. Not to threaten you, but subscribe if you haven't, and comment, like, share, and subscribe. Keep keep your notifications turned on so that you know whenever I post. And yeah, I'll see you guys very soon in a new video. Bye bye.